Here is your garage. It's a 1.5 car garage. Those epoxy floors look fairly new. They are in very good condition. I also noticed that the garage door is insulated. That's what that silver coating is, friends. It also has a whole home water filtration system. That's what those two blue containers are. Hello, welcome everyone. My name is Tim. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Calumet Grove in the northern part of the Villages. We do have a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom courtyard villa that is wood framed. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello, welcome everyone. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video of a courtyard villa, 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom, located here in the village of Calumet Grove in the Villages, Florida. We do have a wood-framed home. The list price on this home is $325,000. That roof was replaced in the year 2021. The HVAC system was also replaced in the year 2021, and the hot water heater was replaced in the year 2015. I will start by taking a panoramic view of the street. First, I will pan to my right, and that is facing south, friends. And then I will pan to my left. That is facing north. You will see this home is located in a very quiet neighborhood here in the village of Calumet Grove. It has a concrete driveway that is in very good condition. You do see that it has the stone landscaping, very low maintenance on this home. It has a 1.5 car garage with sliding screen doors. And as always, friends, if you have questions about this home, please contact your listing agent, Eric Wiersma, and that is his contact information with EXP Realty. As I walk up to this home, I do see a painted concrete walkway as well, stone landscaping. This home is in meticulous condition. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello, Eric. Could you tell us a little bit about this home?
Absolutely. You're welcome to a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,200 square foot courtyard villa over here in Calumet Grove. You have elevated ceilings, you have engineered hardwood, you have textured luxury vinyl, laminate flooring, sealed driveways and garage floors. You also have a beautiful, wonderful patio with an enclosed bird cage room out here with stamped concrete, which is wonderfully painted. Solid surface countertops. You also have solid surface countertops included into the bathrooms, along with the master showers, a completely solid surface. You really can't ask for much more if you want a very low-key, very low-maintenance, wonderful, open-aired feeling home to live into. Not only that, but included with all of the wonderful windows that you have around the entire house, which completely brighten this place up. You also have your plantation shutters, which also have a dual system on there so that you can close one end and yet still leave the other ones open if you'd like.
So they operate independently?
Absolutely. They're wonderful. They're actually, we just had a client come in here, take a look at them, and was very pleased to see such a high quality feature on a home, which isn't really normally seen. So, but with that being said, it's just such a wonderful place.
Okay.
Yeah, by all means, please take a walk around.
Yes, I will start the video by walking back over to the foyer area, and I'll describe what I see in the foyer area. As I mentioned before, this home is offered at $325,000. And the first thing I notice, friends, standing in the foyer area is that beautiful laminate floor that runs in the kitchen. And I do notice the kitchen has granite countertops as well with wood cabinets and brushed stainless hardware. This home does have acoustic textured ceilings as well as recessed lighting. That granite countertop is beautiful. It does have a natural gas stove stainless appliances, very wide crown molding as well. And I notice it does have a large 1-bowl stainless sink. Here I am panning from the kitchen area into that living area. Very high ceilings in that living area. You do see the wide crown molding continuing. As always, friends, I will show you the kitchen pantry closet. It does have raised panel bifold doors. That is your pantry area there, friends, as well. I will video the specification sheet to let you know the contact information. As always, please contact Eric Wiersma. That is his contact information. This home is located at 171 Southeast 75th Leatherberry Avenue in the village of Calumet Grove. List price $325,000. Please feel free to pause the video at any point to read the specification sheet. I will turn the specification sheet over so you have the room dimensions. There are your room dimensions, friends. The living room is 17 by 14. This is a wood-framed home as well. I will walk through the rest of this home. I will show you what this home has to offer. I will go into the living area as well. Beautiful wood engineered floors. Those are awesome. That is a sliding patio door that leads out into your side patio. Very high ceilings, acoustic texture. And as Eric said before, this does have plantation shutters that are independently operated, the left and right side. Off to the left, you will see a guest quarters as well. And I will go and look at this guest bathroom. That is a vinyl/linoleum floor. It does have a shower and tub. That shower and tub surround is made of either plastic or fiberglass. Very high ceilings. That is a solar tube there, friends. You do notice it has the wide crown molding continuing. Has the wood cabinets with brushed stainless hardware, solid surface countertop, one sink in this bathroom. This is your guest bathroom. I will show you the linen closet for the guest bathroom. There is your linen closet. I know my subscribers like to see the linen closets as well. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. This is a guest bedroom. It has carpeting. It is located in the front of the home. I do notice this home also has extra wide base molding. In addition to the wide crown molding, you do see it has acoustic textured ceilings, plantation shutters, raised panel bifold doors on the closet. This home shows very well, very neutrally decorated, very well kept. Off back into the living area, I will now go back into the lanai area. I do notice it has stamped concrete with a color patterned floor in that lanai. This lanai is really nice. It has a bird cage as well in this lanai. This home does face east, friends. That is facing east. This is a courtyard villa. It has your privacy fences. We'll take a walk to the side of the home. I'll show you that. The side patio does have painted concrete. This home is neat as a button. Low maintenance, stone, landscaping. There has been a lot of work done to this home, friends. Very private. There is your bird cage as well. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. There is a lot of concrete work done on the back of this home as well. This is rare to see. We are in the village of Calumet Grove, which is in the northern part of the villages. This home is offered at $325,000. If you have any questions, please contact Eric Wiersma, the listing agent. I will include Eric's contact information in the description of the video. That patio door will lead into the primary bedroom as well. I will walk into the primary bedroom next, friends. Here is the primary bedroom. It has carpet floors, extra wide base molding, extra wide crown molding, acoustic texture ceilings, very high ceilings, plantation shutters. The dimensions of this room, friends, are 13 feet by 12 feet. I will walk into the corner of this room and spin around and show you what it looks like. That is your primary bedroom looking off into that lanai. This home is in very good condition. You do see a walk-in closet with carpeted floors, raised paneled white doors, wire rack shelves in this closet as well. Here's your primary bathroom. It does have the linoleum floors, wood cabinets, brushed stainless hardware, solid surface, one sink, very high acoustic textured ceilings. It does have a solar light as well. Take a look at this commode and shower space. There is your shower. That shower does have solid surface surround. Very nice. It has a swinging glass frameless door. That is beautiful. Next, I will walk out back into the home. I will walk into the garage as well, friends. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. One thing I did notice is that this kitchen counter does have a stone Here is your garage. It's a 1.5 car garage. Those epoxy floors look fairly new. They are in very good condition. I also noticed that the garage door is insulated. That's what that silver coating is, friends. It also has a whole home water filtration system. That's what those two blue containers are. You can see that this epoxy floor is in good condition. There are your HVAC. That was replaced in the year 2021. The laundry is in the garage area here as well. Your water heater is in the corner over there. Water heater was replaced in the year 2015. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. It also has a sink here in the garage area. I will give you one last panoramic view of the kitchen and living area, and then I will walk back out to the street. This home shows very well here in the village of Calumet Grove. Let's walk back out into the street, friends. I'll give you a panoramic view of the home. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Here we are walking back into the street. As always, friends, please contact the listing agent, Eric Wiersma, at EXP Realty. That is his contact information right there. If you have any questions, here I'm walking back to the street. You will notice that that is a dead-end street right there on that side. That is your home there, friends. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom courtyard villa located here in the village of Calumet Grove, offered at $325,000. Thank you for liking. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take care. Thank you for taking this home tour with me of this 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom courtyard villa here in the village of Calumet Grove. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take care.